Welcome to today's lesson on chord substitution, trading one chord for another. So let's just say we have these four chords: C, A minor, F and G. You've written these four chords: C, A minor, F, G. So it's a basic chord progression and there's nothing wrong with that. But let's just say that you don't like a particular chord within this progression and you want to substitute it for another chord. Now, one of the chords that you can substitute is chord number 4, the fourth chord in the key of C. This is a good one to substitute. Chord number 4 in this case is the F chord. Now, a good substitute for chord number 4 is to replace it with chord number 2. So if in the key of C, like we are, then the second chord to use would be D minor. Let's give this a go. Let's try applying it to another chord. Let's go back to our original progression. This is the progression you first saw: C, A minor, F and G. But this time we're going to substitute chord number 6, which is the A minor chord, this one here. A good one to replace chord 6 is with chord 3. So in this case, as we are in the key of C, as we can see, we'll replace it with the third chord, and that would be an E minor chord. Let's have a listen. You can replace two chords in the progression. Here is the progression with both chords replaced. Here are the chords in the key of C. Chord number 4, a good substitute for chord number 4 is chord number 2, and a good substitute for chord number 6 is chord number 3. And you can do this in any key. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you'll use it when you're working on a chord progression and there's a chord within that progression, chord 4, chord 6, and it doesn't sit quite well, and you want to try new things that just doesn't drift too far from the original chord progression, and substituting chord 4 and substituting chord 6 is one of the ways to do that.